A customer from El Salvador purchased 80 pieces of EA500C3 P3.91 outdoor LED rental screens, which are mainly used for stage screens and outdoor performances. This LED display adopts a quick lock design, which is easy to install, improves the flatness of the picture, and makes the installation process faster and simpler. In addition, EA500C3 LED display supports curved installation and can be freely transformed according to different scene requirements. And it is made of durable and beautiful materials, ensuring the long-term stability and beautiful appearance of the screen. Customer feedback videos express their satisfaction with this LED screen. They praised its high-definition picture quality, excellent performance, and easy installation.